The question that was raised by the one without an affidavit by Michael Mushemi, the issue of Mr. Michael Mushemi, where you are told that for purposes of gauging bias, you should be able to look at the MP for MATHIRA, who did not, who voted against the deputy president, although he was his father or something in the wedding. My Lord, the direct reference to that would also have to be taken from the bar, the way it was also made from the bar, and the direct reference to that is that the wife of this MP.
My Lord, that's a question of fact.
Yes, it was also the same question of fact.
That was point of law, my Lord.
We should understand what we mean by matters of fact. Questions of when, who, where, what happened, who did this, who did that. Those are all matters of fact.
My Lord, the only exception, and we said, when we tried to stop, to stand to say that Mushemi is dealing with those issues, you told me, my Lord, you will respond. So I asked that I respond to that issue. That's the last issue. And the response is this, that the wife of that MATHIRA MP is also on record as having said that I voted against the DP Gachagua because he insulted us and said our wedding will not last. It had nothing to do with the impeachment. So that we cannot ignore that is what he said, and it is on public record. So that, my Lord, the long and short of it, so that, my Lord, the long and short of it.
Mr. Kibe,
yes.
How do I record that?
No, my Lord, the way you recorded, I think I saw a record from the other side.
What you are saying?
Yes.
How do I record it?
Well, I don't know who recorded, but he was allowed to say in open court that even his own MP voted against him. So to be able to demonstrate whatever point he was making. And I'm also saying that from the bar, let it also be made clear that the wife to the she's also an honorable MP, said, I voted because the DP said that that marriage was not going to last. Not on impeachment. So that, my Lord, the long and short of it, because we've had a long evening, is that I beseech this.
I suppose the marriage still subsists, right?
It still subsists. and we also hope, my Lord, that when we are that when we are hard with this petition, the tenure of the DP could proceed. So that, my Lord, the last point that we need to make is that there is somebody, I guess, who is a doctor, and something that Dr. Camino has said, a moment of introspection. This moment of introspection is important. Because for you, my Lord, the issue at the end of the day would remain that an important case is up for determination. Besides the information that is here, if your councils were to show what is it that other things that are coming up in the course of the proceedings, that questions of perception is such a huge issue, my Lord, that if you are to apply the old rule that you are being told to apply, that you have a duty to sit